Okay, so it is 11:42 at night in the PM, and we're on an operation extraction for Scott. Apparently he hit something in the road, and his car is now showing 2 flat tires on the right-hand side. We are going to extract him, see the damage, record it for you guys, and Tesla is going to be calling him back with a tow option, not break his car while towing it.
But yeah, we saw a picture of his instrument cluster there, and it showed the tire pressure was 0 and it had an exclamation point for the 2 right tires. So
I've never seen that either.
He obviously ran over something.
Yeah, no bueno. But hey, good thing we got the night vision camera, am I right? Okay, I guess we'll see when we get there.
A few moments later. So where do I go? On this? Oh, there he is.
We found him. Okay, there he is. Oh no, Tesla down. Ah,
Down like I-25 going southbound. I hit something.
that's flat. That's totally flat. That looks fine under there. At least you're not like leaking fluids or anything.
I ran over something.
I'm sorry, it's not funny. It's not funny, but sorry.
No, it's like now I gotta put my car in a gurney.
Pretty much. Okay, I guess we're gonna go under the bridge, which is over there, and see if we can find what happened. That's a hat. I don't think the hat did it. What is this right here? Piece of wood. This could be an object. Oh, no, that's styrofoam. Just kidding. Pass. Yeah, I don't see anything out here that screams I would blow 2 tires. There's that piece of cement.
Very possible.
Okay, we have likely subject number 1. Oh, there is something in there. Right there. Oh, that's it. Okay, right there. No, got them. Right there. That's what's doing it. Call 911 and tell them. One other car, probably like 2 others too, that got their tires popped. We could hear the air come out of them. On the other side of the bridge, I can show you if you like.
Okay, Scott's gonna be putting it in tow mode. Pop that out. There we go. And there, you see it?
Wow.
Oh, they told me to look to see if there was any more damage because
I didn't see it.
Like
I looked at the battery and there's nothing leaking, so I think it's just the tires.
All right.
Yeah, that was good. Are you just gonna ride there? Oh, it's just like an event.
See, I don't see anything.
Yeah,
I don't see anything. The whole underside of the battery is flat and it looks flat.
My bed, I cleaned my bed off every time I get a car that leaks.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, your bed, like if you look this way, there's nothing, so that's,
Yeah.
I mean, that's good, because batteries are expensive.
Yeah. That would be bad. Look slower. There's a bump. Oh, that was it. That wasn't too bad.
No. Okay, watch his front end, but his front end should be fine now.
Yeah, because I think you put this flatter than when you picked it up. Okay.
Yeah, that was better than before. Okay.
Yeah. I don't see anything. Maybe it's on the side.
No, it's not.
Seems like it went the whole way.
Okay, so it is now Sunday. Actually, it was Sunday when we recorded everything, but the way the time works out. Anyway, Sunday again. Thought I'd outro this. Wanted to give you guys a quick update. Obviously, we didn't hear anything from Tesla today because they are closed. It is Sunday, so we will actually be able to talk to them, have them remove both of those tires, check the rims, make sure those were okay. I don't think there's any battery damage. If you looked when I was doing the video, there's that little fin that goes in front of the tire on the bottom of the car, and that fin was perfectly fine. So I just think the piece of metal was up just enough, and it just popped both of those tires. So hopefully no battery damage. Hopefully the rims aren't cracked. But I did want to let you guys know, we'll document everything, but we will be going after Denver and submitting a claim to see if they will be reimbursing us for the 2 tires, or how we can go about that. Because really, that is a Denver problem that never should have happened. I don't know how that got flipped, but there was some paint markings around it, like maybe they were doing some work on it. I don't know. We did tell the cops, as you saw. One cop went back and put like a cone over it. I don't know, it looked like he left. Hopefully nobody else had that happen, but even while we were there with the flashlight trying to tell and alert other drivers, we got one actually recorded that had, it looked like and sounded like both of their tires popped. You could hear the air rushing out.
No, got them.
We didn't see them. We don't know where they went, where they ended up. If they're watching this, let me know and I'll gladly give you the footage so that you can go after Denver too. It's a crappy situation. I'm just praying that the rims are okay and it's just a tire issue. I guess it is what it is at this point. Hopefully the Denver claims is pretty easy. I've talked to a few people and they said it's not terrible. It just can be a little time consuming. So we'll go that route. We'll let you know how that goes, and then we'll probably do just a quick update video as soon as we hear back from Tesla. That way we can let you know what they found wrong with the car. Hopefully it's nothing extra and it's just the 2 tires. Fingers crossed. But yeah, kind of just a crappy situation, crappy way to like end the weekend. Scott still doesn't have his car, obviously, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But I will say Tesla was awesome. Scott actually just clicked on the Tesla T and you could click on the number right there, so he was able to call that. It does it all through the car as long as your phone is connected. He called them, told them what happened. They said, we'll call you right back. We're going to call some of our towing partners. They got a hold of their towing partner, called Scott back, said it'll be about 30 minutes. No problem. It was great. They showed up and hooked the car up and everything. The cops did call their own tow truck, which I wasn't very happy about. Who they called had no idea about Teslas, and that's scary. But they were trying to just inflate the tire to see if maybe we could like limp it somewhere. But there really wasn't anything close to limp it to. And there's no way we were going to drive on the rims. And when he tried to inflate the tires, there was nothing happening. Clearly they have a big gash in them somewhere, for sure. So, yep, it is what it is. I guess that's how we're ending our weekend. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend, though. I guess that's pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below, and it actually will get you free unlimited supercharging. That promotion does end, though, on July 15th, and there's been no word if they'll extend it or not. So if you are thinking about ordering, free supercharging is something you really want. Definitely check that out. Yeah, definitely comment down below too if you've had any issues, especially in the Denver area or wherever you're at, and how you handle the claim with your city and everything, because I've talked to a few people, but always looking to hear what people's experience has been. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Used to keep it cool, used to be a fool, all about the bounce in my step. Watch it on the news, what you gonna do? I could hit refresh and forget.